Turn left, then turn right.
Are you videoing mo? Oh, so this is... Why this is in the middle of all the stuff? All the shit area. So this is Acacia Hotel. Hotel lobby. That's security guard. That's their bar and restaurant. Hi. Reception. Look at the chairs. Looks comfortable. Big chairs. Oh gosh. This is for big people. This chairs is for big people. Makes me look so tiny. These are their lobby. Arc. We are in Bacolod City. Mag-stay kami ng Acacia Hotel. Ang hirap hanapin ng hotel na to kasi nasa gitna siya ng mga warehouses. We ended up in rice warehouse. yung mama alam agad, sabi, hindi dito, doon sa kabila. Mukhang maganda siya, kaya nasa gitna siya ng mga warehouse. Malapit sa dagat, tapos malapit siya sa SM Bacolod. So this is Bacolod City. First time namin. First time ko. So this is the Acacia room. So Acacia. Tiny water. We need to buy water. Nice big room. Uy, that's the port. Oh, I wonder where we're going. So we are by the port.
Fridge.
Oh, we got a fridge. That's good because of the rains.
Complimentary biscuits.
Fridge and wow, massive wardrobe. What's that?
It's the fridge. I told you.
Nice. Oh, nice big toilet. And the shower.
And the toilet seat.
Shampoo thingy.
Nice.
Complimentary dental kit. Yeah. Nice toilet. Water not potable. So we have to buy water. Plenty of water. Big servings.
Mr. Charles, il y a Monsieur sur le bateau.
That's about 300 something and this is 295.